Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Grow channel. Today we will unboxing cashback SBI credit card. Let's begin. So this is envelope. Let's open it. In the envelope, here are three papers. Quickly go one by one. So in the first paper, we will get our credit card along with instructions of activation. In second paper, we will get detail of benefits, and in third paper we will get safety instructions. That's it in the envelope. So question is, why apply for this credit card? And the answer is exclusive benefits of this card: 5% cashback on every online spend, 1% cashback on all offline spends and utility bill payments. You will get cashback auto credit to your SBI card account every month. For complimentary domestic airport lounge, no joining fee. Your renewal fee of rupees 999 can be reversed if you spend more than 2 lakh in 1 year period. 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all petrol pumps. Here are some transaction types which is not applicable for cashback, like rent payments, fuel spends, wallet loads, merchant EMIs, cash withdrawals, balance transfer. If you are interested to apply this card, link is in the description and pinned comment. You will get additional 500 rupees e-voucher if you apply from my link. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.